Hey there! Having concerns about suspicious activity with your Temu account? Today we're diving into exactly how to fix Temu suspicious activity to secure your online presence and ensure peace of mind. In this guide, we'll guide you through steps to identify and resolve any unusual behavior linked to your Temu account, helping to protect your data, personal information. Step 1. Recognize the sign. Before you can fix Temu suspicious activity, you must first recognize the signs that something might be amiss. Common indicators include unexpected account changes, such as altered account information, unfamiliar transactions, or unexplained messages and notifications. Additionally, if you receive emails or alerts from Temu warning of suspicious login attempts or access from new devices, take these seriously as potential red flags. Step 2. Update your account information. Quickly updating your account information is crucial upon spotting any suspicious activity. Start by logging into your Temu account via a secure network and device. Navigate to your account settings and immediately change your password to something strong and unique. Consider using a password manager to keep it secure. Additionally, review your recovery options such as email addresses and phone numbers to ensure they are up to date and accessible only by you. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Enhancing your account security with two-factor authentication is a powerful way to protect against unauthorized access. Temu offers this option, adding an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code when logging in from a new device. To enable 2FA, go to your account security settings and follow the prompts to set it up using your preferred method, such as an authenticator app or SMS message. This step is crucial in safeguarding your account from potential breaches. Step 4. Monitor account activity. Regularly monitoring your account activity is key to ensuring that everything is in order. Temu provides a detailed activity log that displays account actions such as login attempts and transactions. Review this log periodically for any anomalies that might indicate unauthorized access. If you notice any suspicious activities, report them to Temu's support team immediately for further investigation. Step 5. Contact Temu support. If despite your precautions you continue to notice suspicious activity, contact Temu's customer support right away. Provide them with as much detailed information as possible about the unusual activity. Temu's support team can guide you through additional measures to secure your account and investigate the issue further. Prompt communication with customer support can significantly mitigate potential security. Understanding how to fix Temu's suspicious activity is a crucial skill in maintaining your online security. By recognizing signs, updating account information, enabling two-factor authentication, monitoring activity, and working with customer support, you can effectively safeguard your personal data against potential threats. Remember, your account security is paramount, so take these steps seriously to maintain a safe and secure experience on Temu. Stay vigilant and secure.